Be careful, I don't want to drop my phone here. Nice one.
Like a Jew.
Wow. Water tank view deck. What's that? Ah, there's a... What do you call that? Is that a peacock?